vending machines have changed the reality of shops. Automated retailing 24 hours around the clock, providing ease and efficiency to consumers and retailers. However, vending machines perform occasional blunders that humans would never make. Here is a classic example. These situations are common amongst vending machines, and customers tend to rage against the machine. According to hopeandfear.com, our anger swells beyond control due to failure of the expected transaction. Anger is our first instinct and reaction, and we are not just
a couple more kicks should do it. Wait.
There are many such cases happening in vending machines all around the world, discouraging many to stop purchasing vending machine goods. Although vending machines provide convenience and efficiency, they are just a series of machines and algorithms, which is not smart enough to detect interruptions to the sale. They also require expensive repairs when it is damaged. The owner of the vending machine will thus ask himself, are the repairs worth it? If the vending machine fails to dispense my stocks once in a while, he also cannot blame the customer for venting anger on it, as it is his vending machine, and it is partly his fault, because it is unfair and wrong. People blame it on the vending machine and naturally remember their unlucky experience with the vending machine forever, thus losing customers. Another reason is inflation. With vending machine taxes and sale taxes, customers' anger will be triggered more easily. With candy costing $2 instead of the original $1 at supermarkets, customers will be even more discouraged, since they lost their $2 to a faulty vending machine instead of purchasing the candy for half the price at a trustworthy supermarket store. Thus, inflation increases anger faced by customer when goods are stuck. Such a pity, as vending machines are useful to retailers, adding manpower. If only something can be done. If only all the vending machines in the world are 100% prone to this common and irritating problem of stuck goods. But if our product was installed in all of them, there certainly would not be angry customers. This allows a win-win situation to be established to the owner of the vending machine and the customer, as the owner has a working vending machine and more goods sold, whilst the customers have trust in the vending machine, inviting them to buy a second time. This increases usage of vending machines as well as increasing monetary gain. Thus, our team proudly presents the easiest and cheapest solution possible. Detailed analysis of our product after design thinking. The food is stuck in the vending machine. Again. Apparently, it is a common phenomenon in Anglican high school. Now we are asking ourselves, what can we do to rectify this problem? The problem I'm currently referring to is that the purchased food or drink is stuck and sucks up the consumer's money without giving them their product. The solution we came up with is installing a slider bar activated by a button to drag and dislodge the stuck item, allowing the product to be claimed by the consumer. Our product can be installed in public areas with vending machines, such as schools and offices. Whoever is unfortunate enough to have this problem can use it efficiently in vending machines installed with our product. We are an honest group of people and you should totally trust our product to solve this problem 100% of the time. I'm not sarcastic. 3 things you need to know. 1. It's button activated. 2. This attachment targets the management committee groups which handle vending machines. 3rd, the slider bar is an attachment that can be placed in an ordinary vending machine. It is also affordable.